Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware and files so the build goes smoothly. Enable VTX or AMDV in BIOS, then pick RAM and disk that match your workload. For typical use, choose at least 2 GB RAM and 20 GB storage. Once done, download the OS ISO and the VM host installer and install the host application. Make sure to run the installer as admin. This ensures drivers and networking components register properly before you create the virtual machine. You now create the VM and configure the details that determine performance and integration. In the new VM wizard, select the correct OS type and version, assign CPU cores and memory, and create a virtual disk with an appropriate format. Attach the ISO as the CD drive, then set networking to NAT for easy internet or bridged for LAN visibility. Enable shared folders and tools integration so host and guest transfer files. Before booting, enable snapshots and tweak display and USB pass-through for a stable experience. You finish by installing the guest OS and making the VM production ready. Boot the VM from the attached ISO and complete the OS installer, then immediately install guest editions or tools to enable shared clipboard, drivers, and seamless display. Once installed, run system updates, take an initial snapshot, and adjust power and CPU settings for performance. If networking or drivers fail, reboot host, confirm virtualization in BIOS, and reinstall guest tools. That resolves most integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.